Hey guys, welcome to the second part of this video. We left off right here, finishing the binomial theorem and expanding, and I kind of told you guys where it came from. It's just a lot of steps. So what we would prefer that you guys do, and let's take our example, a plus b to the power of 3 is Pascal's triangle. Now Pascal's triangle is formed by taking each term from above and adding it. And all the sides of Pascal's triangles are 1. Okay, so right here we would do, that becomes 2. Great. So I'm starting with 1. That's 3 right there. And if I add those, that's also 3, and that's 1. I think you guys get the pattern here, and it's not super complicated. Put a 1 there. That's 4, 6, and 4, and 1. And then again 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1. And if you're remember, it's just the sum of the previous, like this, previous top terms. Okay. So how can we use Pascal's triangle to expand this thing? Well, it happens that this here represents n to the 0, or n equals 0. Sorry. This row there is n equals 1, n equals 2, n equals 3. And these happen to be the coefficients of the expansion of this form up here. Okay. So what does that look like? Well, the coefficients are going to be for a plus b to the third power. Coefficients are going to be 1. There's some stuff here, so I'm going to just leave it blank for now. And 3 blank plus 3 blank plus 1 blank. Now what happens here is we take x to the third power, because that's the highest thing that I'm going to, times y to the 0th power. Or in fact, don't even think about that. So we're going to descending order that way with x. So I started with x to the third, so this I'm going to do x to the second. And over here I'm going to do x to the first. And over here x to the 0th. And this is for x, for the x term, or the x variable. Now going backwards for the y variable, I'm going to go in ascending order backwards. So here y to the third power. Over here y to the second power. And y to the first power, and y to the 0th power. Okay. So we can simplify this to x to the third plus 3 to the x squared times y plus 3 to the x y squared plus this all is 1 y cubed, which notice is the exact same thing as that. Okay, so this might take some time to get used to. On my next video, I'll show you guys a few examples, have them right here, and minus 2m quantity to the 4th power, and then another kind of hard one. And so we'll work on those together. Thanks for your time, guys. I'll work on these other videos, and then I'll post them as soon as I can.